Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Zodiac Warrior, aka Bailey Sexton, and we got a special guest here. It's the Wild Wolf 77, and your one and only Jungle Green, aka Crimson Wolf. But we're just, this is episode 1 of Dead Island because, like, all the other ones we recorded, like, something happened to them and they messed up and stuff. And these work a lot better and stuff, so we just wanted to restart. We were going to start from level 1 and just work our way up, but now we're like level 7, level 18 and stuff. I'm level 18. I don't know how I got up to level 18. Like,
Mods.
yesterday I was level 6. I was on lower levels. I was on lower levels than them. And then, like, I just popped up to level 18, and I don't know how that happened, but, yeah, and we're just gonna play some Dead Island, do some missions. So, yeah, let's get to it.
Alright, well, welcome to episode 1, guys. Our new series of Dead Island. And, once again, our first video. What do you know? So, you guys can check out my website in the description below. I'm not sure what I'll edit in for an intro and an outro. But I will add one soon, okay? Because I'm just practicing on editing. I'm not the best.
Wait, guys, see if you can find me. See if you can find me.
I love how he always ruins things. Right?
Yeah, I know. Freaking Light Wolf. Found you, bitch.
Wolf,
I already found you.
Man.
Dude, there's a marker.
Oh, hey, I want to go open that thing that's in back. You remember the thing over there? You had to have level 3 to open?
Oh.
Like over there, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to see what's in there.
Alright, guys, well, I'm setting a waypoint already, so Light Wolf, get in the car and we'll set up.
Wow. Okay, well, it's a worn wooden platoon. That's what's in there.
That sucks.
Okay, I want to jump on
you have to be level 15 to use it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Hold up. You just jump on top of the truck. Wait, will I fall off?
No.
I think I'm just gonna. What is this?
All right.
What are we doing here?
Why are the gates retarded? Why did they keep moving back and forth?
What is our thing?
Okay.
Oh, we gotta go up there?
Okay, guys. Let's get in the car, bro. I'm gonna repair all my crap.
Beat up with me. Oh, sorry.
And also, by the way, there's been some, failure. We already talked about the failures on the videos, but relating to them, we also had requests for a Q&A video, which we'll do soon. And, yeah, we'll have some surprise guests with us in that day. I'm not sure how we're going to set it up, but we'll do it, dude.
I'm pretty sure we should just do it with us, too.
Yeah, okay.
What the fuck? I'm gone. Fuck that. There's like 6 motherfucking zombies behind me.
Where are you?
Come on. I don't know. I'm down the road. I told you to meet up with me.
No, dude.
Oh, my God.
We're going to the waypoint.
Wait, how come I fall off?
My waypoint is way up here.
Come on. Get inside the car, dude. Get inside the car. Alright, let's go.
Alright, go.
Holy fuck, man. What is up with these guys?
They're pissed.
Oh, my God. I'm gonna fucking die. I'm gonna die. I'm dead.
Run! Run! Oh, crap.
Hold that trigger, because I'm a crazy nigga.
Hey, whoa. Watch your language.
That dude? Aw.
Don't say that.
Watch your language, man.
Oh, man.
Holy crap.
Man, that was crazy. What the crap?
Okay, we're gonna go pick you up.
Get
Come on.
off of me. I'm freaking ready, man.
Come on, behind you. You got it. Kick him, man. You got it. Okay, dude, in the car.
Let me try these off his head so I can get the other challenge that I need.
Okay, there's like a thug guy right
Hold
here.
up, there's another thing right here, by the way. See what's in here. Oh, a dangerous, wicked seek.
Whoa, cool, dude. Come on, get in the
Sickle,
car.
my bad. Look at this freaking sickle, man. Look at this sickle.
Wait.
You see it?
No, I don't. Oh, that's cool.
There you
Oh, that's sick.
go. There you go.
All right, let go.
Lag out.
Dude, I really want to play with Legos right now.
Alright. Lego my ego.
All right, let's go. Come on.
Stop right here. Hold on, stop. I'm gonna get this other car.
All right.
Wait, how do
Then
you
we'll
tell
have
if the
3
car
cars.
is
There's a little steering wheel on the map.
Idiot.
Alright, lead the way.
Alright, let's go.
Where is my thing pointing towards, actually? Yeah, okay.
Where's all the
I
guns?
thought it was up here.
Oh crap.
There, you don't get guns until...
Dude, guys, I need to-
You're on the main.
I need to stop it. Damn it, my mom's here.
Come on.
Hold on.
Honey, how was your cord?
Another
He's
technical
not
thing.
doing too He's going
Okay,
down
then
the
I
hill.
need you to go get something from the car for me, please.
I can't.
Yes, you can. Come on, Brandon. I just got
Do you have another appointment that I...
No. Okay, the trunk. Listen to me.
Hey, Light, let me get in the car with you.
Hold on. There.
Okay. Don't have an attitude. I need you to help me with this.
Okay.
The car's still moving. Okay, there you go. What?
Okay. In the trunk, there's a plastic bag with food. Okay. And then there's bring that bag, and there's also
Where are the keys?
right here. Please do not lose it. I think it's unlocked. Listen to me. The trunk, Brandon.
Yeah.
The bag, and then there's a can of jalapenos and something else on the side. I can't remember, but bring it, okay? And there's waters too, but just bring out one water.
Not funny.
Oh, you messed up the bread.
Sorry, I couldn't get my...
No, the bread because you squished it all.
Oh, sorry. You're ruining my game, though. What up? No. Okay.
So wait, we had to freaking stop again. Now we're gonna stop again.
Nope. I had an idea to cut it, though. I'm gonna trim a bunch of it. Nope, let me in the car.
You know you can't cut it if you're using your iPhone, right?
No, I can't actually. And now, what's up, guys? Sorry, I had to cut right there. I had an unexpected guest come in, and you know, just kidding. It was actually my mom. Okay, so come on, let's go. Whew. Jesus, I'm tired, dude.
For some reason we're swerving across the... I didn't even know there was a zombie there.
Dude, nice driving.
Thank you, I know. Like, we already got a broken windshield and everything.
I think we gotta end this video at 13 minutes.
Look at that. I just blocked that like it's nothing.
You did? Well, wait till I get my mom and we cannot not show you like that shit like it's nothing.
That was awesome.
Let's go!
18 bucks, yeah.
Oh my gosh, she's about to like do this go right here. Why is she
Dude.
right here?
Because she's sick. She is sick.
18 bucks. Okay, I didn't know you had to do that.
Gotta get an update. I'm gonna go get some food.
Other players are waiting.
BRB, BRB. Someone randomly texted me some BRB. Like, I don't even know who they are. Their name is Brandon though.
Dude, what a loser. Brandon's such a loser name. My God. Feel bad for that kid.
I know. Dude,
Talk to Darvin.
the guy, Bailey, dude. That guy is. He's an idiot, dude. I don't even know who he is, but he's an idiot. Like,
Yeah.
He just skips cutscenes.
Yeah, skip the freaking cutscene, Corey. I don't want to watch this.
Okay. There you go.
Oh, thank you. They already finished it.
Disabling wrench. Whoa. Kinda want that. What is that? Wait, I gotta grab it? Oh, required level 7. I am level 7. What? I am.
I got it.
Dangerous, wicked.
Requires level 1 for me.
Really?
Oh, dude, I got a deal, Mom.
I can get it right
Oh, I'm grabbing maybe too much stuff. That could be
I
it.
got a deal, Mom. I got a deal, Mom.
Really? Here we go. Yeah. I had too much stuff in my hand. Yeah, okay, excuse me, guys. I need to repair this stuff.
Come on, just come on.
I got a wrench.
Thank you.
I'm gonna upgrade. I'm gonna fix and upgrade.
There you go.
No, I'm gonna go sell some more weapons. I
Get
want
my
my
most sucky stuff.
I'm gonna set up my stuff.
What's a feeble hammer?
dangerous, wicked, sickle, melt stick. I'm getting rid of that.
Does that I have brass knuckles and I don't? Wait. I guess that I do. I don't
Excuse
have
me.
one hand.
Jesus, move, dude. My God. Okay, open.
But
Oh, alcohol. Everybody loves that, right? Yo, we're going at 13 minutes. Let's end it here.
Alright, no, watch it.
Here, let's go 2 more minutes more, maybe. No, yeah, let's end it here. Let's end it here. Oh my God! No!
I told you I was gonna get you! I told you I was gonna get you!
No way. Alright. Well, guys, if you liked the video, be sure to leave a like and a favorite. Don't forget to subscribe. Can you please shut up? I'm doing my outro. We have, like, the best intros and outros ever, dude. Alright, guys, if you liked the video, just leave a like and a favorite, and don't flag us, because that's just messed up. Okay, see you next time.
I freaking love this call.